Are you running out of credit at Kling AI and feeling frustrated? Then don't get worried. In this quick video, I will guide you how we can generate unlimited Kling AI credits totally for free. And yes, we will get unlimited free credits with super and easy steps. So without wasting any time, just go ahead and log into klingai.com and also make sure you don't miss any step. So if you are logged in with your any Gmail account, just make sure to log it out first. Okay, here just go and click on sign in. Let's click on sign in with email, and here we supposed to sign up with a new account. Just go ahead and click on sign up. Now, as we all knows that Kling AI doesn't allow temporary email and it only allows Gmail. You could see, please choose a popular email provider like Gmail and Yahoo. No worries. The most interesting part here is that I will guide you how we can get unlimited Gmail account quickly. Let's go to another tab and open mailticking.com. Now let's see how we can quickly get unlimited Gmail email on mailticking.com. When you click on change at the top, you will see the option that ends an email with gmail.com. Let's go ahead and select this, click OK. Now we got the Gmail here. Copy this Gmail. Just paste the new Gmail into Kling AI and also update the password. Now let's click next. Now it's asking us to please complete security verification. No worries, and complete the security verification. Okay. Now verification code is sent to the email that we just used to log in. Okay, just wait for a few moments here. You will get the verification code in your temporary Gmail. So here we got the verification code. That's perfect. And we are ready to put this verification code into Kling AI and we are ready to sign in. You have signed in. You now have 166 credit to generate quality videos for you. And if you run out of credit, just go ahead and repeat the process. For your verification, let me repeat this process once more. Okay, you could just go ahead and sign out of this current account, or the second method we could try, that is we will keep this account active in the Microsoft Edge browser, and we have opened the Google Chrome browser where we will verify it for the second time. KlingAI.com, and also let's go ahead and open mailpicking.com here. That's fine. Just go ahead and click on activate. And here we again want to click on sign in. After going to sign in, let's click on sign in with email. And here we want to sign up free. Now we have the option again to register with Gmail or Yahoo email. Let's go ahead in the temp email. Make sure you have selected the gmail.com here. Click OK. Now we are ready to copy this Gmail. So I have copied this Gmail. Let's go back to Kling AI. Again, paste the Gmail here. Let's set up the password. And you can see verification code is sent. Go back to your mailchecking.com and refresh the page. Usually I have to refresh it 3 or 4 times to get the verification code here. And here you go. I got the verification code from Kling AI. Just copy the code, go back to Kling AI, paste the verification code here and click on sign in. You have signed in successfully, and I again got 166 credit to create high class and amazing videos with Kling AI. So now I have 166 credit into Kling AI in the Chrome browser, and I have 166 credit into Kling AI in the Microsoft Edge browser. I have shown you this trick is working 100% perfect, and you have seen in my this quick video. I just want you to make sure on the mailticking.com, if your current email is not working, Just keep changing the email and try it to Kling AI because it could be possible that more than one users are trying to get this temporary email. That's why this was not working for you. I hope you like this simple trick to get access to latest Kling AI features, and at least you will be able to create videos for you. And that's how you get unlimited Kling AI credits completely free. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the bell icon on so you never miss a powerful AI tip like this. Got questions or want more tools unlocked? Just drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.